Okay, this is my mini review for Amazon because I know that I wasn't sure which one I wanted, and my room is pretty big, to be honest, so it's not like a little office, and this heats it up really nice. So this is what it sounds like. It's pretty low. People make it seem like it's super loud online, and it's not. This is low. They both sound kind of the same, but it's like a very low hum, and if you sleep with a fan, it's perfect anyway. So yeah, this is a great buy. I definitely would recommend it to anyone. Oh yeah, and if you lift it up, it automatically turns off, and if it falls over, it, it's set up to be preventing falling over. That's a good feature too.
This is the low setting, and it is not quiet. See? Low setting. This is what it sounds like on the high setting. Louder. It's cute. It's giving off a lot of heat instantaneously, but it's louder than I can use.
The safety switch on the bottom, when it comes off the table, it automatically turns off. So that little button on the bottom there. And when you put it back down on the surface, it resumes heating.